The MZK A3Plus XP600 DTF printer is a game-changer in the world of direct-to-film printing, built for professionals who demand performance, reliability, and value. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. This model delivers twice the printing speed of the traditional L1800, thanks to its powerful XP600 printhead and advanced motherboard. You can now print a full A3 size sheet in just 3 minutes, ideal for those managing high-volume orders or seeking to scale their printing business efficiently. What makes the MZK A3Plus XP600 stand out is its fusion of intelligent hardware and software. The 5-inch LED multifunction touchscreen allows you to manage layouts, perform nozzle inspections, and initiate cleanings with ease. Its intuitive interface reduces the time spent on configuration and minimizes human error. The enhanced motherboard reduces traditional printer faults, ensuring you waste less material and spend more time printing. Whether you're customizing apparel, accessories, or promotional items, this DTF printer supports a generous 13-inch film width and infinite print length, unlocking the potential for creative, large-format designs. Maintenance is often a concern with DTF printers, but MZK has addressed this with automatic timed cleaning and a robust white ink circulation system. This 3-in-1 setup, mixing, filtration, and moisturizing, prevents nozzle blockages and extends printhead life. Even if the printer remains idle for weeks, you can trust it to start up smoothly. Plus, your purchase includes a full starter kit, oven, film roll, 5x250ml DTF inks, powder, cleaning accessories, and a USB drive with tutorials. Add to that the impressive 2-year ink supply offer and 2-year warranty on non-consumables, and you have an all-in-one solution that's ready to work from day one. Whether you're starting a print business or upgrading your current setup, the MZK A3Plus XP600 offers speed, stability, and unbeatable value in a compact, high-performance package.